And here's I will show you how to add countdown timer in Instagram story. Let's go to Instagram and let's create a new story. And here you can go ahead and upload a photo from your device. In my case, I'm going to capturing a photo here. Okay, now to add a countdown timer, tap on the sticker icon. And in here, scroll down. And under sticker section here, you will find this countdown. Just tap on that. And here we can see the countdown added. Now, add here the countdown timer name. And set end date and time. Tap on done. And you can change countdown color just like so. And just tap on send your story. And now let's see the final result. And here, as you can see, I've successfully added a countdown timer in my Instagram story. Thanks for watching.